A lever is a long rod that is pushed or pulled against a pivot in order to move or lift something. This is class 1 lever, which looks like a seesaw. I had two rectangular cardboard, one small and one big, and two semicircles and a small stick which is the size of a toothpick. I fitted them all of them and made a seesaw. I put some weight on one side and the other side goes up. I also made class 2 lever. Here I attached the small rectangle on the side.